This question says that water is poured into a tank at a constant rate of 500 centimeter cube per second. The depth of water in the tank t seconds after filling starts is 8 centimeters. When the depth of water in the tank is 8 centimeters, the volume V centimeter cube of water in the tank is given by the formula V equals to 4 over 3 25 times 25 plus H cube minus 62,503 divided by 3. We have to find the rate at which H is increasing at the instant when H is 10. So let's highlight the important information first. There's this constant rate. Then we have this formula and we have the measurement for height. So they want us to find the rate at which H is increasing at the instant when H is 10. So what we're going to do is, we know dV over dt is 500. We know that V equals to 4 over 3 times 25 plus H cube minus 62,500 divided by 3. Let's differentiate this with respect to H first and get an expression for dV by dH. So 4 over 3 times 3 times 25 plus H whole power 3 minus 1. So basically in differentiation, what we do is we bring the power down and then we subtract 1 from the power. So as you can see, we brought 3 down and it got multiplied by 4 over 3. And then we subtracted 1 from 3. Now we have 4 times 25 plus H square. And differentiation of a constant is always 0. That's why the fraction disappears. So now we find the value of dV over dH at H equals to 10. So that means what we will do is we will substitute H equals to 10 in this and see what that equals to. That's going to be 4 times 35 square, and that is 4,900. This is our value of dV over dH. We're trying to find dH over dt. It's going to be dH over dV times dV over dt. So since dV over dH is 4,900, so dH over dV will be the reciprocal 1 over 4,900. And dV over dt is 500. You solve that and that gives you 0.102 centimeter per second. In the next part, it says at another instant, the rate at which H is increasing is 0.075 centimeter per second. Find the value of V at this instant. So we already know that dH over dt is given as 0.075. We know that dV over dt is 500. I'm going to use the chain rule again. dV over dt equals to dV over dH times dH over dt. 500 equals to, the expression for dV over dH was 4 times 25 plus H whole square times 0.075. That's going to be 500 over 4 times 0.075 equals to 25 plus H whole square. So that's going to equal to 15.82 centimeters. You first solve the fraction, then you take its square root, and whatever result you get, you subtract 25 from that, and that should give 15.82 centimeter. Then what we do is we use this value to find the value of V at this instant. So V was 4 over 3, 25 plus H whole cube minus 62,500 over 3. We substitute the value of H in this expression and then we see what answer we get. So when you would solve this, plug this entire thing in the calculator, and you would get 69,888.5, which approximately equals to 9,900 centimeter cube. That would be your answer.